Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to easily download YouTube videos on your computer or laptop. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Downloading videos allows you to watch them later without needing an internet connection, which is especially useful when traveling or in areas with poor internet access. How to do this? First, choose the video you want to download. You can find it by browsing your YouTube homepage or using the search bar. Once you open the video, scroll down below the video player where the like and dislike buttons are located. You will see a download option next to them. Click on it to start downloading the video, but be aware. To download videos this way, you need a YouTube Premium subscription. This is a paid service that offers additional benefits such as ad-free viewing and the ability to play videos in the background. After subscribing to YouTube Premium, you can simply press the download button and the video will start downloading to your device instantly. Where to find the downloaded videos? Just click on the side menu, 3 horizontal lines at the top left. Then go to the download section and you will find all the videos you have saved ready to watch anytime without an internet connection, and that's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful content.